Hello folks, my name is Brett Bogotsky. I'm here to talk to you today from Levin, Papantonio about Social Security disability and things that you need to keep in mind both before the initial application process and throughout the process, because it's a very long-standing process and certain pitfalls throughout the way that you need to keep in mind. First of all, one thing is you don't have to be an attorney to represent somebody in a Social Security disability matter. However, obviously I am an attorney along with my complete staff at Levin Papantonio, several paralegals and secretaries that are well versed in the Social Security disability arena. So that is one reason why you need to keep us in mind when considering a Social Security disability expert. As far as things that you need to consider when thinking about applying for Social Security disability, if you think that you're going to qualify, don't delay. The worst thing that happens is you apply and you get turned down, but it's a long process as it is. It can take anywhere from 12 to 18 months to get before an administrative law judge if that's the track that your case takes. So the longer you wait to even get to that initial application process, the longer it's going to take to get there. Another thing you need to keep in mind is there are deadlines throughout the application process. When you first apply, you'll do that on your own. We can assist you as far as guiding you through the process, but when you apply, most people will end up getting turned down. If you get turned down, you've got 60 days to file what's called a request for reconsideration. You do that, and if you get turned down at that step, then you've got another 60 days to file a request for hearing. And then, unfortunately, folks, I hate to be the one that's here to tell you, but it is a very long process, like I said, to get before that judge after you file a request for hearing. It'll typically be about another 12 to 15 months before you have your day in court. Now, sometimes if you have enough documentation to support your case at that point, there's plenty of times where we've gotten decisions made on the record before you even get to that point that you go before a judge. So we can sometimes speed up the process and alleviate the pressure on your part to hurry up and get a decision made to get some money in your pocket. So, and we know the documentation at Levin Papantonio that's required to get a favorable decision made for you. So you need to keep those things in mind, that it's a long process, but we're there to help you. Another very important point is make sure if you contact us and we're helping you with your Social Security disability claim to keep us updated as to your medical treatment. We need to know when you're seeing the doctors. Cannot stress that enough. And you need to keep seeing the doctors, because the better track record that you have of medical treatment, of physicians that are going to support your claim, the better it's going to help support your case.